Teaching this workshop today has been incredibly gratifying. First of all, the participants were very engaging, very knowledgeable, and they were just a lot of fun. I also appreciated the fact that there was some cross-cultural attendance here today. That always makes things very interesting. I would say one of the most important things about the Labor Law Updates Workshop is the fact that this is an evolving law, and it has been for the past couple of years. This is mid-November 2024, and the most recent updates were just in August of 2024. So this is clearly a very dynamic area of law that people need to be acutely aware of if they're working in HR in the UAE. Join us as we champion your transformation.